Ready to power up your WordPress site and unlock truly dynamic functionality? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic routes in WordPress step by step using an approachable no-code method. By the end, you'll know how to add custom API endpoints to your site using a simple plugin, perfect whether you're building a decoupled, headless setup or just want more control over your site's data. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why dynamic routes matter. In WordPress, dynamic routes let you fetch or send custom data to and from your site beyond the standard posts and pages. Maybe you're building a mobile app, integrating with another service, or just want a modern, flexible site. The great news is, you can do all this without needing to wrangle PHP code thanks to handy plugins. So our non-code solution for today is a plugin called REST Routes. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to create custom endpoints for the WordPress REST API without writing those daunting lines of code. It's ideal for headless WordPress projects or any scenario where your front end isn't necessarily WordPress, but you still want to connect back to your site's data. Let's start by installing the REST Routes plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type REST Routes, then locate the plugin in the results. Click Install Now, and once it's done, hit Activate. If you've installed plugins before, this will feel familiar, but if not, don't worry. The WordPress plugin installer is designed to be painless. Just make sure you select the correct plugin and always check those ratings and reviews so you know you're getting a trusted tool. Once activated, you'll notice a new option for REST Routes in your dashboard menu. Go ahead and click it. This is where the magic happens. The plugin has a user-friendly interface for defining your own routes. Think of routes as little highways that your data travels along, letting you speak directly to your WordPress site via requests like GAT or POST. To create a new dynamic route, just follow the prompts in the interface. Choose your route's path, which is essentially the URL where your data will live. For example, maybe you set up My Custom Posts, which will return a list of custom post types. Next, select your HTTP method. GET is for fetching data, while POST is for sending data to your site. If you're not sure which to choose, a quick rule of thumb: GET lets you read, POST lets you write. The next step is connecting these routes to your actual data sources. REST Routes makes this pretty approachable. Just select what you want to connect, such as custom post types, ACF fields, or other metadata. You're mapping your route directly to the content in your database. Let's say you have a bunch of portfolio items as a custom post type. You can set up a route to expose just those items to your front end, an app, or a third-party tool. Take your time here, think about what data you truly need exposed and who will access it. You can always go back and refine these routes later. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. The plugin's design makes editing super flexible, so you can tweak and update without breaking anything. Finally, don't forget to test your new routes. You can use tools like Postman or simply open your browser and navigate to the route URL. If you see your data appearing, congrats, you've set up a dynamic API route. If not, double-check your route settings and make sure you've selected the right data source. And there you have it, your WordPress site now has truly dynamic, custom routes, all without writing a single line of PHP. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'm happy to help out. Remember to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.